and two jokes.
Okay, lovely. Hamza is ready.
On Thursday. The animal that when it's alive, it's dead. And when it's dead, it's alive.
Animal?
Hmm.
When it's alive, it's dead. When it's dead, it's alive. Sea cucumber.
No, that's not an animal.
Pass.
Pass, pass.
Proboscis monkeys. When one dies, the other ones come and sit beside him. When one dies, it's still alive. उसके दोस्त they still are alive. And when
Which monkey?
proboscis.
Yes. Okay, okay.
I didn't understand. Question is
Hmm.
what begins with no end and ends when something ends?
What?
What begins with no end
Huh.
and begins with end?
What begins with no end and what doesn't begin with end? Aisa.
What begins with
End. The word end.
begins, it never ends. But when it begins,
End.
it's an end.
Ma'am.
The word end?
No.
A rope.
Okay. Ibrahim.
Zero.
No.
Rope.
No.
I know in maths when you are doing decimal
1, 2, 3.
Numbers,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Numbers, numbers.
Numbers.
No.
Hairs. Rice. Uncountable things.
No. Pass.
Salt.
Pass.
Pass, pass, pass.
Air.
1 minute. Ha, pass. Everybody pass.
Okay. That begins with no end, and when somebody ends, that begins.
Why is this riddle so intelligent? Move on.
Ma'am, I didn't
Chalo.
understand
It-
only.
Arey, death.
I understood, ma'am.
Even I understood.
But it is so intelligent. I don't.
Yes, it's
I
very
could not
like you have to
think
think. You have to think a lot.
Yeah,
Yes. Correct. Good, Hamza. I like it.
What
I
is
like
the
the way you
answer?
make our brains work.
Nice one.
What is the answer?
Death is the answer.
Okay.
So when
bye-bye.
when death begins, there's no end. And when somebody dies, like whatever that was. I forgot the question. Okay, let's go.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
a boy was climbing a tree
Uh,
and he fell down.
hmm.
His sister said, Abbu, my brother went down, but he went up also again.
I know. He fell and he died and his soul went up. Yeah. This I know. Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
One day a boy was standing
Last. He said 2 riddles and 2 jokes. Okay, last. Come on.
The boy was standing in a building. He
Hmm.
said, help me somebody. Because Superman came and said, why do you need help? You are just sitting. He said, I'm sitting in a so tall building. You sit beside me. If I fall, I will die. He said, I don't want to sit beside you. He said, Superman, I'm dying. Bye. And then Superman came and then he saved him. And then he did like again and he died.
Okay, if you irritate Superman will also not help you. Okay, Aisha, let's go. Yes.
Ma'am, Hamza's every riddle and joke is about death.
Wow.
Yes, ma'am. All four.
How you noticed? I did not. What is with this dark humor, Hamza? Why death and
The first one, not the first riddle.
so much deathness? Yeah, first one was what? Okay, Aisha Kazi, go ahead.
I have two jokes.
Let's go. It's good to laugh always. Jokes are welcome.
The first one is one day the father and the son were walking, and the son had a biscuit in his hand and it fell on the road. So he was going to pick it, but his father told him not to pick anything that is fallen down. It is dirty. So they went home and then
I know this.
Arey, be quiet. Let me.
And then
The son's mother fell down in the kitchen. So the father said to the son,
The son
pick
said
up
to the
your
father.
mother. She's
Acha, the father said to the
the father said to the son. So the son said to the father that father, you did not tell anything to pick from that is fallen down.
Oh God, good one. Another one. Come on, let's go. Ah, my cheeks are hurting. Okay.
The second is again the father and the son were going,
Hmm.
and the son asked the father, where does the water come from?
Hmm.
So the father said, from the river or the oceans. Uh, what the son did, he pushed his father into the water. And then he went home to his mother. Mother, open the tap. Father is coming. So funny.
Oh, let me reframe the joke. It was funny. The son would ask the
Hello?
father, where does the water from the tap come from, right? What in the tap come from? He said, rivers of the ocean. Oh,
Yeah, go.
God, lovely. Yes, sir, let's go.
Wait.
Aisha
Wait.
Karthik was the best.
I like the second joke. Yeah. And
Ma'am,
Hamza's were very intelligent, Papa,
ma'am,
beyond IQ.
It
Yes.
was
two
not
jokes,
like
Okay, Anas is talking. Yeah,
and two riddles.
lovely. Make it
First
fast.
joke.
Hmm.
First joke. Englishman. What's this? The Dukandar tells it is dahi. Then Englishman tells what is dahi. Dukandar tells milk sleep at night and morning become tight. That is dahi.
Milk sleep at night, morning become tight. That is
And
the
the second joke.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again? I
yeah.
didn't
So
understand.
there's an English woman who goes to the shopkeeper and asks, "What is this?" So the shopkeeper says, "It's dahi." So she asks, "What is dahi?" So now the shopkeeper obviously did not know English. So he said, "Milk sleep at night, morning become tight." That's
Ma'am, the
dahi.
second joke.
Ha, second.
Wait, dad. The dad and son. Dad told, I want you to marry a girl of my choice. Son told, no. The dad told the girl is Bill Gates' daughter.
Ha ha,
Then
this
the
I know.
son told, then okay. Then dad goes to the Bill Gates. The dad tell, I want your daughter to marry my son. Then Bill Gates tell, no. Then dad tell,
My
my
son
son is
is
the
the
CEO
manager,
of the World Bank.
CEO of World Bank. Yeah.
Then the Bill Gates tell, then
Says
okay.
okay.
Then dad goes to the
A World
president
Bank
of
and
World
says,
Bank.
"Make my son the CEO."
Yes.
Yes, sorry.
ma'am, what I didn't understand.
Okay.
voice is
So,
cracking. I'm not
all
understanding.
right. So, there is this father and son. The father says that, "Son, I want you to marry the girl of my choice." The son says, "No." And then the father says, "She's the daughter of Bill Gates." So, the son says, "Okay." Then the father goes to Bill Gates and says, "I want your daughter to marry my son." Bill Gates says, "No." So the father says, "My son is the CEO of World Bank." So Bill Gates says, "Okay." Then the father goes to the World Bank and says, "Appoint my son as the CEO." So the World Bank says, "No." So the father says, "My son is the son-in-law of Bill Gates." So the World Bank says, "Okay."
And one more second.
That's
Uh,
it. Riddle now. Come on.
no, no, one.
No, no,
One
two
minute.
riddles. You said two. No, you have to be on
No,
your words.
no. It is
No, no, no,
nice.
no, no.
It is nice. Wait. The teacher
Okay,
tells,
then last joke. Then I'll not give you chance to say the riddles.
okay.
Okay.
The teacher tell me the shape of the earth.
Now.
The student tell round, sir. The teacher tell now give me the proof that the earth is round. The student tell I have strong proof. In the first weekly test, I scored zero because I wrote the earth is flat. In the second test, I wrote square and I got zero. Next, I wrote long, which you struck off. Finally, after much thought, I wrote triangular, which was wrong too. So, Earth is round.
Oh, okay.
All shapes are
Ma'am,
done
what is the
with
joke?
a
I didn't
certain.
understand.
Right. Okay, the joke was the teacher says, "What is the shape of the earth?" The student says it's round. So teacher says, "Prove it that the earth is round." So the student says, the first test it was asked, I wrote flat, so I got wrong. Second examination that I gave, it was asked Earth is what shape is Earth? I wrote square, I got wrong. Third shape, triangular, I got wrong. So I'm assuming that it's the fourth option that is round. That's how the student proved that the Earth is round because
Okay,
he
ma'am.
got.
Now let's go with the comic.
Oh yes, comic, Joveria. I have your comics. Which two groups were there? Aisha's and Joveria's, right? So who's ready? Aisha, you want to go first?
You go last.
You'll go last. Joveria, you go first. Okay.
I'll share screen now.
Yes, I'll share my screen.
Come on.
1 minute. 1 minute.
Ma'am, you don't act like my snow.
Don't act like your
My snow.
what snow?
My cat.
What does she do?
He licks me.
Huh? What does your cat do, bro?
Ma'am, see Humaira Qasim.
Humaira Qasim? What to see?
Showed you in the screen.
Yes. I don't know which is the first part, so Juveria, you figure it out. This? No.
Where's the intro?
Ma'am, no. There is one.
Lord.
Yes, this one. Mohammed Saqib, you are one and Mohammed is two.
Okay, Mohammad Mohammadi and Mohammad Saqib. Go ahead.
Mohammadi.
Mohammadi will start.
Start.
Where is Mohammad Mohammadi?
I am two.
No, Mohammad Saqib is one and Mohammad Mohammadi is two. So Mohammad Mohammadi will start.
Ma'am, I start now. I wonder how pencils are made.
This.
How wonderful.
No. You tell.
Who is one or who is two?
No, 1 minute. MM is 2 and MS is 1. Okay, now everybody mute yourselves apart from these two. Okay, Mohammad Mohammadi, you have to
I
start.
wonder how pencils are made.
No, how
How
wonderful
wonderful life we are living.
Mohammad Mohammadi.
How wonderful life we are living.
Yes, that's true.
I wonder how pencils are made. How we are made.
Firstly, a large piece of cedar wood is cut into slats
Using a circular
using a circular saw. These slats are then carried with covered with wax and
saw.
ma'am, I can't see.
And
Ten.
And stains so they can be sharpened properly when they are pencil. They
Ma'am, you
they
don't show
are
your
then
mouse.
sent to a pencil factory.
Ma'am, don't show your mouse.
That's my village.
Yes, that is your village.
Tell me more.
The pencil factory uses a grover machine to cut grover into slats. The lid, which is made from a mixture of graphite and clay, is then
Is then what?
paste.
Okay.
Paste into these grooves.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Another slat that has grooves cut into it is then glued on top of the first one, covering up the lid. When the glue
Ah,
Ma'am,
when the glue
is
Is dried.
Is another machine cut into
When
slabs
the glue is
into
dried,
pencil.
Ibrahim remembers. Okay.
When the glue is dried, another machine cuts the slats into pencils.
Lovely.
These are then painted by a machine and stamped with the name to show who made them.
They must be our
Our parents. Our parents.
They are then ready to be used for writing.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Hooray, hooray.
You pronounce it like slate.
Ma'am, in the night I was making a Sachina dress. I did not even.
We can understand. It's okay.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
our group was the baddest comic.
Eh?
My group was the bad.
No. 1 minute. Nobody gets to decide what's bad and what's not bad. Okay. We are not here to judge. We are here to enjoy the comics made by us.
ma'am,
Yeah.
they almost copied all of our things.
How? No.
The
It's the same
process
text,
will be
Hamza.
same only, na? Of
Exactly.
pencil.
It's the same text
What are
that
you
you're
telling?
making it from.
But the topic will be same only, na? Ye topic alag, ye topic alag.
Ibrahim, control. Ibrahim. Shanti, Ibrahim.
Yeah, ma'am, we just
Yeah, went to the doctor. He has
it's a birthday of a pencil.
Yaya has fever.
Yeah.
No. Hamza, yours was unique and marvelous. Nothing can beat your topic. Okay. I mean your
Ma'am,
concept.
Ma'am,
Your comic was the best. Yes, Aisha Kazi.
I
go
have
ahead.
drawn the comic.
You
I have drawn the comic in my book, but I can't take pictures with my laptop.
You're not supposed to take pictures with your laptop.
No. Now what will you do? Take a picture from your mobile, send it on the Google Classroom. Now ma'am will screen share now. But ma'am has to first download. No.
Anas, I have some Anas's work. Anas has submitted
Ma'am,
some
did
work.
you send us? Did you correct the poster?
No.
Arey, you yesterday only told that you will check.
Of course.
Yes, the poster of the
The
female
poster
actor
of the
participating in
female fan.
Okay, listen.
I
What I
have
thought
sent-
was
Ma'am, I have
Now I did. Don't
I
see
have
the
sent the slogan to you in the chat,
huh?
private chat in Google Classroom.
Yes.
That slogan is okay.
I got Anas's part of the comic strip. How about Aisha? Aisha, are you on it?
Yes.
Ibrahim, keep quiet. Abdullah, make me the host, please.
No.
Give me the
Please
power.
not.
No.
I beg you don't.
No, make me the host. This boy just unmutes himself any time and he speaks. Yes! I got the power. Now you talk, Ibrahim.
La 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 la.
How mean? Look at him. Okay. Now for others, till the time we are waiting for Aisha to come up with her comic, here is a task for you. Okay. Everybody is going to tell me their favorite topic or subject or concept. Anything that you are interested in. It could be machines. It could be earth science.
Maths.
It could be chemicals. It could be
Technology.
maths. Yes. It
Maths,
could be
maths.
technology.
Chemistry.
Chemistry. Excellent. Okay. So you have
Maths
to
and
tell me your
science.
maths and science. Very good. Okay. Now, yes, Mohammed Saqib, because you are raising hand. Go ahead, answer.
Maths and physics.
Maths and physics. Wow, that's cool. We have a young
Mathematical
physicist.
Economics and biology.
Economics and biology, Ibrahim. Okay,
Ma'am.
Abdullah, how about you?
Mathematical hacking.
Ethical
Fixing the
hacking.
things.
Lovely. Ethical hacking.
Fixing the
Anas.
things.
Anas. Anas.
Ma'am,
Tell me why.
fixing the things.
Fixing. Okay. Engineering, I would take it as. Okay, Umar.
Automobile engineer.
Automobile engineer. Yes, Rajda. I know you're just randomly doing that, but go ahead. Answer.
I'm tech solver also.
I don't really know.
You don't know? You don't have any interest? Any subject? Any discipline? Anything doesn't fascinate you?
Yesterday she told me a secret. She told that I am a bookworm. I love
That's not a secret. Everybody knows that.
Ma'am, I
Yes.
love maths, physics, and mechanism.
Math, physics, and mechanism. Yes, chemistry. Juveria said chemistry. How about Hamza?
Ma'am, I like science.
Science, animals. Hamza, you like animals. Okay, Mohammed Mahmoodi. Tankers.
SST and
Yes?
Ma'am, goat farming.
Goat farming. 1 minute. Let Mahmoodi answer. Yeah.
game coding and hacking and SST.
Game, coding, hacking, and the last one, did I hear correct? He said SST.
SST.
Social studies.
Wow.
Social studies.
Are you serious, Mohammed Mahmoodi?
Social studies.
Wow. Humaira, okay.
The 10 pages first one.
Keep quiet. Keep quiet. You cannot coming at you cannot come at me like that. I've changed. I'm a improved. I'm a good teacher now. Okay, Humaira, how about you? Okay, so here's a task.
Read so much in social studies.
No, no, no.
I remember, ma'am.
I remember those are bad memories which I want to forget.
Australopithecus is apparent.
Indus Valley
yes.
Civilization.
Civilization, I remember. I remember all the tortures that I've done on you. Forgive me. I apologize.
Ma'am, 10 pages, ma'am, on one day, on one subject.
One day do you see that it's 17 pages, wow.
Yes.
Ma'am, 17 pages in आधा घंटा, ma'am.
How can you come at me like that? All right, all right.
Ma'am,
So we'll
see,
stop
you
it.
didn't do it to me. I was in Dubai. I am free.
And now you met me when I'm
Habibi?
I've improved. Habibi means darling. Okay. Now, here is a task for you. Whatever field you named, okay, there must be one question related to that field or that concept in your mind, right? You must be curious, or you want to know, or you want to explore something about that field. Okay, give me an example. Come on.
How was maths made?
Very good. That's a very good question right there, Mohammed Saqib.
Who made
Excellent.
math?
Okay, who introduced math? Okay, lovely. Excellent.
Different cars and more faster than others.
How are and why are different cars faster and more?
Because some cars have more cylinder and some cars have less cylinder. And
Mohammed Saqib, don't ruin the fun.
it
Okay.
is related to horsepower. Okay,
Yeah.
ma'am.
All right. Yes.
Ma'am, I want to know that how was horse came in the world and goat.
Lovely. How did horses and goats come to the world, or how, or which animal have they evolved from? A better question, right? Excellent. Okay.
Alfia, ma'am.
Yes, Aisha. You
I've
ready?
sent it on Google
You put it on
Classroom
Google Classroom?
comic strip.
Okay.
Yes, on the assignment of comic strip.
Who was the first scientist?
Who was the
Ma'am,
first
first is mine.
scientist? Oh, that's a very good
First is
question.
mine.
What?
The first comic strip is mine. This Aisha Ghazi.
And this is life skills class.
No.
Ma'am, I know.
This is an English class. Aisha Aga, welcome. And good
Camera
morning.
off and reading something.
Ibrahim, that is too much. You cannot accuse people of that.
Ibrahim, please not be quiet.
Right? Look at him.
I did not have time to color, so but I outlined it with sketch pen.
Right. And then we have
Mohammed Saqib, have you gone to the expo which comes in Dubai?
that big
It
expo
didn't
thing,
start
right?
till now.
When does it happen, but?
No,
Ma'am.
it happens every year. That global village. Something like that expo. It happens every year
Okay.
in Dubai. Global village, global village.
All right, listen. Now, first part is Aisha Qazi's or Anas?
Anas.
Anas. And Hamdan Fazlani is supposed to read it for you?
Hamdan
He's
and
in
Umar.
his farm, so his
Okay.
internet is not
Hamdan
there.
and Umar. Umar, you're there with us? Go ahead. Okay. I'm going to share my screen. So, first is Anas's comic strip. Somebody will have to become, Umar is the grandfather. Okay, so somebody will have to become a young pencil.
Can I be?
Yes, go ahead, Anas.
Yes. Grandfather pencil. Can you please tell us how you are made? How we are made?
I will tell you how you are made from cedar wood. Firstly, a large piece of what is it?
Piece of cedar wood is cut into slabs.
A large piece of cedar wood is cut into slats using a circular straw.
Wood.
Oh no.
Ma'am, he wrote wood. Circular wood.
You know
Circular saw. Okay, circular saw. Then we have Aisha Kazi. A very short and sweet comment right here. Okay.
See the upper one. And then they are covered with wax. No. The slots are then covered with wax and stains. So you all can be sharpened properly when you all are pencils.
Oh, cool.
That's it. Short and sweet.
Ma'am, did you notice that the pencils are coming from the conveyor belt?
Yes, yes. I saw that diagram.
Ma'am, the process was not there. The main other thing, the process was not there.
No problem. They cut it very short and sweet, and they showed it more in the picture. Yes, though it has its own,
Ma'am.
it has its own uniqueness to it. Okay. Yes.
Ma'am,
Thomas.
Yahia's comic was very nice, na?
Yaya's was the best. Okay. All right. Now you don't take the credit. Yaya did everything. All right. Okay. So now whatever
Dialogues.
now whatever. Okay, you made the dialogues. That's good. Okay, whatever field and area of interest you possess and whatever questions you have related, like right now you asked few questions. What I want you all to do is, here is your task for today. Okay, so okay, don't do that.
Let's not do very much pencils.
No pencils. Listen to me. Okay, here is your task. You already have a topic. Okay, you all have named multiple topics of interest right now. Now what you have to do is you have to take one question from it. All right, think about the question. Okay, go and search. Now in the textbook it says you have to refer to a non-fiction text, non-fiction book, but because we do not have, or we may not have, non-fiction books related to the topic or the question that we have right now, we are going to Google search. Okay, you will Google search your question. You will write down the bulletin points, whatever you understand from your finding or your research, you're going to write it in bulletin points, and from those bulletin points you will try to frame your own answer for the question.
Ma'am,
Easy.
do they even remember who was the first scientist?
Who?
Ma'am, does even Google remember who was the first?
Yes, so you have to find that out. All right, who was the first scientist? Type the question and you will get a chunk of information. You have to refine your information, write
What
down
is
the
the
bulletin
question?
points related to your question, and then you have to frame an answer from the given bulletin points. Make sure you use your own words and do not directly copy the bulletin points.
Ma'am,
And what is the
Ask me
question?
questions.
who
Come on.
was the first
Any question?
It was Nuh alayhi salam because he invented the boat.
He built a boat. That doesn't make Noah alayhi salam a scientist. Comb.
Alfia, ma'am,
Yes.
Ma'am,
for homework or right now?
No,
I
right now
didn't
it's not
understand.
homework. Today, this week is going to be no homework week.
I didn't understood.
इसको मैं ये बना रहा हूँ शामे वामे तलवार बना रहा
8 found my subject sleeping.
पानी लेके इसके
What?
Ma'am, how should I write the question?
What?
How did the goats and
Ma'am, it seems like Umar is
Yes.
making a talwar.
I know. Umar, is there a side project that you are doing along with English? Let us know. We would like to participate in that as well.
Yeah, ma'am, you told that we are going to make a party hat, and you did not.
Forget party hat. I'm going to put the materials for tomorrow's SDG class, so make sure you have those.
What?
Okay.
What are we going to make now? Tell
A
me.
signboard
A signboard.
with LED lights. All right.
How will we get LED lights from where?
It's there in my pocket. I'll give it to you.
Ma'am, I didn't understood.
Ma'am, the shops are closed.
Ma'am, Alice totally was. I did not understand.
1 minute. Hold up.
I
I
didn't
want
understand.
Abdullah to
Alice.
question. What was your question, Abdullah? You want to frame the question?
Yes, ma'am.
So you will write from where did the horses origin, or what's the origin of the horses? Same thing. Instead of horse, you can write goats if you want to search on that. Anas,
Ma'am,
you said your area of interest is engineering and anything to do with making things, right? Okay. Now, in that area, you will have a specific question, right? पिक एनीथिंग और उसके ऊपर एक क्वेश्चन अगर तुम्हारे दिमाग में है कि हाँ मुझे इसके बारे में जानना है या ये कैसी बनती है चीजें, go ahead.
Technology.
हाँ,
Technology is related to
technology,
technology.
yes, it can be related to technology. Okay, any one big question that you are always curious about technology, go and find that out, find answers for that on Google, and write in bulletin points whatever point information you get. Write it in bulletin points. Okay, after you have all the bulletin points and you think this is enough for me to frame an answer, you stop there, and then depending upon those bulletin points you try writing an answer on your own for that question. समझ में आया?
ma'am,
Information है, खाली answer frame करना है. Okay, yes, who else? Next.
Like
ma'am, I
cars,
wrote
like
who,
how cars are made.
ma'am, I wrote who invented maths. He is like ancient Greeks.
How
Very
will we
good.
create
Ancient
an
Greek.
answer of
So
a
how
answer?
did they create maths? With what inspiration did they have with maths? Okay, that inspired them to make mathematics as a subject. Find all that. Yeah.
Ma'am, how will we make an answer out of an answer?
No, answer, you are finding information. Information is never an answer. Okay, you will find information and write it in bulletin points, and then you will frame an answer based on that bulletin points. Make sure you do not copy the bulletin points. Okay, what's your question, Aisha? Let me help you a little further. Aisha Aga, what's your question?
1 minute.
Yeah. Hamza, did you get it? I will ask you your answers, okay? Everybody has to read the answers.
Ma'am, how many bulleted points? Ma'am, my answer is
Maybe 5. 5 bulletin points is enough for you to frame an answer. Not more than 5. Don't go beyond 5.
Is what is there two meanings for invention?
Sorry?
Is there two meanings for invention?
Okay. Does the term invention have two meanings? Write that. Does the term invention have two meanings?
Ma'am, I wrote how cars are made. It is showing videos.
No, go down. There'll be information page.
Can I tell my question? Who
Yes.
invented the first computer?
All right, go ahead. Find out.
Ma'am, now we have to write in the notebook in English.
Yes, write any 5 bulletin points related to that question. Whatever information Google, the search engine, is giving you, take down 5 points. Go on one website and take 5 points from there. Okay, and based on those 5 points, frame an answer. A sensible one that actually answers your question. Yeah.
We have to.
You have to write it in
Any
your black
subject?
spiral bind notebook under English. Yes, Kazi.
We have to search and we have to choose any subject and
Any subject of your choice.
frame
Okay.
a question.
Yes. No. So what you have to do is, suppose my favorite subject is earth science. Okay. Geography. So and there is one specific question and one thing that I'm curious about when it comes to geography. Okay. What was there before Big Bang? What happened before Big Bang is one thing I'm always curious about. So I'll go ahead and I'll search, and whatever information I'm getting, I'm going to take 5 bulletin points from there, and I'll frame an answer for my question: what happened before Big Bang? Okay. I have a lot
Ma'am,
of
the word,
responses.
ma'am, I send you that word, how to pronounce it?
Yes, Pythagoreans.
Pythagoreans. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Pythagoreans. Okay, North America about 4 million years ago. those who have already searched the information, those who already have the 5 bulletin points ready, go ahead and frame the answer. So you will write your question and then as an answer, you will frame the answer. Okay, Hamza. I searched how guns are made. What time is the made? Yes, correct, Anas.
Ma'am, I'm still thinking.
Think fast, huh, Hamza? You cannot take this entire class for thinking, just for thinking.
I
Is framing
on what?
bulletin point.
Ma'am, can I say the fact?
Anas, did you understand the
How will I
information that you
frame
sent
this?
me? 1 minute. Could you understand the information that you sent me or you just copy pasted? No. So Anas, now you reframe your question. Find out how are guns made for kids.
Ma'am, can I say? Can I change my question? My question
Why
is,
your question is very nice, Aisha?
ma'am, my question is that how are some car faster than other?
Right.
The first is the engines are different.
That's
The-
one bulletin point. Very good.
The other reason.
Ma'am, I'm prepared.
The other reason is the shape of the car.
Okay.
Because wind blocks, if it will be like this, the wind could travel. If it will be like this, the wind would stop.
Yeah, there will be lot of resistance. Yes.
And for the weight,
Third bulletin point. Okay.
What do I search?
Search. Omar, don't guess. Search.
Ma'am, what do I search? Ma'am, I search only. I just.
What was your question? Are there two meanings for the term?
Ma'am, can I?
Invention.
So you said does the word invention have two meanings? Yes, Juveria.
Ma'am, Aristotle was the first scientist, so I have to write about him.
Aristotle. Yes.
Yes, his name is so difficult.
Aristotle. It's a Greek word.
Ma'am, can I say? Ma'am, we have to write about him in the bulletin points.
Any 5 things.
About him.
Yes. About him in the sense not where he's born and all, related to chemistry, like his contribution. Okay, Aristotle, how did he become a scientist? Who claimed him to be a scientist? Okay, what were his discoveries that made him a first scientist in the world? Alright. Yes, Ibrahim.
Has two meanings.
Yeah, there you have your answer. And then you write the two meanings.
Ma'am, I have sent in the chat.
Ma'am,
Yeah, Ibrahim will speak.
my question is who invented the computer? His name was Charles Babbage.
No. That's how you're going to answer. That's how you'll frame the answer. You have to frame an answer, Ibrahim.
Yeah, I'm framed only. I'm writing in pointer. I wrote it in the pointers.
No, your bulletin points is how you collect information. Then based on those bulletin points, you have to frame an answer of your own that will answer the question. Okay? Yeah. Coming to Anas.
I didn't understand what the information is.
What is it saying?
It is saying invention.
I'm prepared.
Definitions
Write
that
it down, Ibrahim.
the act or the process of inventing used a tech. I don't know.
You want to know whether the word invention has two meanings, right?
Yeah.
Ma'am, is correct.
See, information is correct, but how will you frame the answer? That's up to you. You need to understand in order to frame the answer.
Ma'am, can I?
That is so hard. That is not written.
Ma'am, can I choose another question?
Another meaning of invention is cultural invention, which is an innovative set of useful social behaviors adopted by people and passed on to others. Yes, the institution of social invention. Okay. Aisha, what did you not understand in this? So one invention is where you make things, and another has a social related to people and culture.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, ma'am, can
Invention
I
does
say?
have two meanings.
ma'am, it's written that it is this.
Anas, frame the question.
Ma'am, I framed. Can I say?
Frame an answer.
Ma'am, can I say, please?
1 minute. Umar was talking. Okay, 1 minute. Yes, Umar. Umar. Has Umar gone to make the talwar?
Ma'am,
Yes.
can I start?
1
Ma'am,
minute. Juveria. Yeah.
ma'am, I have a question. Ma'am, when I'm asking what did Aristotle do as a scientist, it's coming so hard words I can't read.
No. Invention or discoveries of Aristotle. Type that.
Okay.
Yes, Ibrahim.
The computer. The first computer was invented.
Question.
Yes, you can change your question. Yes, Ibrahim.
Who invented the computer? The first computer was invented in the year 1830 by Charles Babbage. He was adult only. He was about 35 age, and his developed plans was initial engine, and the shape of the computer was square, and the initial engine would have had most of the basic elements of the present day computer. Thank you.
That is an answer to your question. Very well done. So you not only framed a question, you found an information and you framed an answer to it as well. Good work, Ibrahim.
Can I go?
Yes.
Bye,
No.
ma'am.
Shut up.
Okay.
Can I go next?
Yes, go, Abdullah. Go ahead.
Ma'am,
You've written the answer in your notebook, right, Ibrahim?
Yes,
Okay. Yeah.
but I did not written. It was in my mind.
ma'am, my question is who won
Write
the
down the complete answer that you spoke right now.
Ma'am,
Yes.
where was the horse origin?
Hmm.
North America about 4 million years ago. And the same question for the goats. The first original species of the goats was Capra hircus, were among the first domesticated animal, as I told. Ma'am, they are
And they were domesticated by whom?
they were domesticated they were domesticated animals from the travelers who were coming no from the people in the western Asia. They were domesticated by them because they were in the western Asia, and, and in the Taurus mountains in Iran, Iraq and Turkey.
Okay. Abdullah, go ahead and frame this. All the information that you read out right now, put it in an answer. Put as one answer to it. Put that information as one answer.
My fourth
For the goat, make an answer for the goat one. Okay, horse is too short. Yes, Aisha Aga.
My question is who won the first gold medal?
Okay,
I already searched.
good. Write an answer then. Frame an
Ma'am,
answer
I
to
have
that question.
getting the information.
How about you? You want to change the question, Anas?
Yes.
Go ahead, change.
What is CONNOLL?
Alfia, ma'am, I'm done searching. Can I speak?
You have to frame an answer. If you are done, once you have completed writing an answer in your notebook, then you can read it out. Yes, Aisha Aga.
What did you say, ma'am?
I said I am not asking you answers for searching information. You search information for yourself, then frame answer out of that information. I want you to write an answer of your own in your own words.
Yes.
Okay, to that question, and then you'll read it out in the class. Yes,
I'm
Aisha Aga.
done.
Aisha
Okay.
Aga, what's the spelling that you're asking me?
CONNOLLY and MASSAC. Uh oh. Uh oh.
What happened, yeah, Abdullah?
Ma'am,
My internet went or
the electricity went. My internet.
oh, okay, okay. Your electricity had gone, or everybody in Navi Mumbai? Mohammed Mohammadi, what's your question and what's the answer? Mo-
Ma'am, what is the spelling of species?
SPECIES.
SPECIES.
Okay, I think we'll end the class because it's almost just 2 minutes to go for the class to get over, and I think Mohammed, was the load shedding at your place as well? Rushda, can you hear me? Okay, has the electricity gone at your place as well?
Yes.
No wonder. Fine. Abdullah, I think we'll end the meeting over here because majority students have no electricity, so there's no point, and it's just 1 minute left. Yes? So you complete your answers and maybe we'll discuss in the next class. That would be next Monday. That would be Monday. Fine. Bye.
Bye.
Take care, everybody. Bye bye.